Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po ania Fire Brigade Shillong. Regat bat ka Fitorium. Ka dukan ki tiar kilan met ka babhatam. Hakador ka babit.
Professor A.K. Nongkenri ubalong ru unong hikai ubatbit but ubashempang baha haka Department of Sociology jongka school ba North Eastern Hills University Shillong. Ula klat no nega slaperthei haka arpoterik urumpang arajar arpuwei hadin kajing syak sumar lakum bakatto kat nepor ha Bethany Hospital Shillong. Dalor kekam hikai Professor Nongkenri ula penlut poru ya kisngi jing im jong ha ka bathok kot bat na padeng ki kot ki bo ula tho bat ki bala pau perthai bha ki long ka kot ya ka bola ai kerteng a study on equity and customary forest management in Meghalaya bat sakaway pat ya ka bola ai kerteng kum ka Khasi Society of Meghalaya a sociology understanding hadin kani ka jingkla no jong na kani ka sla perthai ki bahayeng hasem kila penkit no ya ka met jong Professor Nongkenri syasora ka badairu ka snong tra jong na ka benta ban pendep ya ka jingle nyam ka bakhat do.
Kubor ko si ano kata bangi tit nang kong ya ini I layo baranet ba I don hapre be jing stam ko bajur ti nakalian jong ni jing kai khasing la ya bu ki jing duai marwai naga ka jing ko kya no jong I rei kalong pada ka kubor ko si ken ba le track rat shim la I be chui I ben dan kat ni ti ina flat no ben ka step King layo jing tip haka wasaan group jungi ha I Professor A.K. Nongkenri bang di khat I bakarham la plat no ten di ke jing sha kalong ke jing do baning kong ke yangi ka kong ka university na mari ide uwe na ki professor kasi uba tre shitom do kata but uba yang scam na kabenta ka judge benril udai ru nong hikai ubat tibet ado kata-kata bat ke jingdan ke jong I po university ka pensengan yangi ndai tangi ke department jong I ndai yangi lang ki bangdai na ke jo ke department nomor ati meetings kum ki academic council meeting ijuk keren ha wede bat kino ki benta ki ban yarap na ke benta jong ki samla kule bat benta kalawe jong ka university ke jong ti hakane ke por mas no ban ong ba jing klan no ke jong I kamdai chu tang ke jingdo jong ki bahayeng sem ndai ga jingdo jong I kum uparlok ubang nilai thui thau ha nilai thu bat I nado ki snem go khat praspa kharkhandai spa pho sawi namar ba I dei arsnem junior jonga la nang I dei na la jong ga department ru mi don lang spo mai ru han jadi ki po ti ngilai april lang po university nda lagi house nem ti kumu brio bahado kata-kata uba ed hok ya laga jong kam bokwa banda le kanu kam kabadai bat kababha naga benda jong gajak brio kam brio I kalau wei jong ki samla bagi samla gi de bentrishtom bat yela dia ru ide brio bentrishtom hado
singkhat no kemakan san jong I Professor A.K. Nongkenri ibangi patge kerham kelapan kendit ingi kebun balang ki parlok nong hikai badan haka university ki samla puli ki badan haka ni kejelah kenapa hijukan mau I ba long wei naki riurang ba bala juno senyang ba sakai emlang sama di hilong tu beliau Bobet akalong beliau teman beliau akalong renyang akaman renyang buat syulah ban syuang tak dengan way ba kalong ke jingdu ke bakrau ya ke chat beliau ke chongi ya ke state ke chongi nama ba midang kpi lenti sibon nakalyang ke chongi dan they play long play ba start no play ba tip ke dia ni barok ni dan makajong ka ski makajong por ni ke jing start jong play kan mo dan re nakalang jong hi ki parlok ki parjor ki parlok mo hikai soba ke jing do ka bakla ke jing do bakla but ngatrai ni kum ke jat review kum ke state nila saki yaki contributions nakalang jong imo yaki jing no sinyang jong i chaki nam salam but personally yang akan itu ipi nga namar ngalong very close pati mila ya puli lang lagi por ko man syuang mila don lang mo babon ki bantah aki im lang salam kada it's a great loss me it's a great loss yeah syuk kom no pada mo tingin chicken ma yaki kam di ba baha berkenuksa kepala pendi nakalang jong imo te magiru kum ki parlok para jor kum ki parlok mang dikai what the students mo but it just been go away min yai kan mau ya ki kam ki ba ha ba la le aki em lang sa lang sumi ya jadi jing tho jing tar te matrai ki babon hi mo ki patba kan ke jalla ko joi la ule ni ki kot ki jong i la bon ti ki kot bai la tho la bon mut ru ki scholars ki PhD scholars ki bala yo ai ki doctorate mo maka ti ki jong i bai la guide bai kan de segi babon de ki kam ka em lang salam ka shnong ka thao mo ra pi ong ka sarkar ne ka district council ne ki dorbar shnong di dorbar hima berbentar ini belano senyap segi babon ki bentar
has been my colleague for a number of years now. It saddens me very deeply that I lost a very, very good person friend. I lost a very, very good person friend. No, I have no words to describe his loss. Now, I always found him to be a very, very committed and motivated teacher. He used to motivate, inspire students, and his loss will be a very, very big loss to the department, to the university, and it will be difficult to fill for a long time to come. I have many personal memories with him. I used to share a lot of things with him. We used to talk about many things, and we had many things in common. And I found him to be very, very, very good at whatever he did. Whether it's a matter of research or a matter of anything else. Extremely nice person. I have no words to describe. I remember this book on the Qazi Society. He has been working on the Qazi Society for a long time. He has been working on issues like family, kinship, organizations, and environment. And I found him to be a very serious researcher, and it was a pleasure. It was always a pleasure talking to him about things we share in common, especially in sociology. And as I said, I don't think I'll be able to find a replacement for him so soon. Extremely nice person. No, it deeply saddens me. I have no words to describe.
Thank you.